Hi guys, welcome back to the new video in Jetpack Compose playlist. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a lazy column, which is a new way of displaying large list in your Android application. So basically it's the replacement of Recyclerview in Jetpack Compose. You don't need any adapter class or view holder class. So you can achieve the same thing here with lazy column or the lazy row. I'll use the lazy column to display data of list in a vertical orientation. So if you want to display your data in horizontal view, then you can use a lazy row. So but today I'll be displaying data in vertical, so I'll use a lazy column. And then if you want to do that same, and then for horizontal view you can use a lazy row, and the process is the same. So now let's go to our project. So I have created an empty compose project. So we will create a package over here, a package with model, and then inside that we'll add a class person. Okay. So we will create a data class. Now this, so inside this, so I have created a variable ID with the integer for the list, and the first name to the string, and I have given a last name and then age of the person. So and then next we will create a repository, and then inside that we will create a file, person repository. So inside this we will give a list of data. So so we will create a function inside this, inside this function we'll create a list of data. So the person data, the name of the person, the age. So we have given the first name and the last name of the person and the age of the person. So we will return the list of the data of person. So I have added the data. And then we'll create a new file, Kotlin file for custom item. So here we'll create a composable function to design the our list view. That's our recycle view, which we used to design in our previous Android. Will display those person data over here inside this items. So we'll put a row. We'll use a modifier to design the UI part. So we'll quickly complete the UI part. And then after designing the row,
we'll put the text inside that for the age, and then we'll put another text for the first name, and another text for the last name. So if you want to know more about the UI part for this composable, you can watch my previous videos in the playlist, so you'll get an idea to how to design the UI. So it's just as simple as it is. And then after completing this, I have used the preview function of the composable to display what the data. So you can see the UI. So I have given the age and the first name and the last name. First name is John and the last name is Doe, and the age is 20. So after completing our UI part, we'll go to the main activity. So inside the main activity, we'll put the overall data. So we have created a variable person repository, and we have assigned it to person repository function. So and another as get all data. So we have used the lazy column over here. So the lazy column is what I said. So it's the recycle view in the composer. So it's just a replacement of the recycle view in the previous Android Studio. So it's simple. So we have used the items, so and then items to get all the data from the person list and the person repository. So we have used the custom item, so we'll display the person values to the custom ID, and then complete then when we run this, so successfully launched. So when we see, and here it is the list items which we have given. So a recycle a list view, so in compose. So if you want to add the decoration line, so which we used to add in the Android previous versions, so we'll use the content padding here. And then after adding the content padding, you can see the output. So see, we have the outer padding at the corner of the list view. And then if you want to add in the list, so you want a space between each list item of a person, then we can go with the vertical alignment. And then after adding the vertical arrangement, so you can see the output successfully launched. So you can see the list view. So we have the data inside the list recycle
And
view.
then that's it for today. You can get this code in my GitHub. So link in the description. And then if you have any doubts, you can comment me directly, or else you have the Instagram link over here in the description. So you can directly ask me questions. And then a Quora link. So if you have any queries, questions, you can ask me there. So until then, I wish you an awesome day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.